I'm Lion Ovens, and today we're in the Caledonian Forest to find out some of nature's biggest mysteries. And here we have the wild Pringle tree, known as Pringulus trius. This great tree provides food for the graceful gazelle Finus, as well as its smaller rival, Gazelle Fredus. They will be seen in this woods, and there is high competition. It seems as if we've been spotted. A fight should erupt soon as they fight over these majestic Pringles. I think we should get out of here. And here we see the Heather Marzus, so named after the Greek god of creaky door handles. If we just pluck this noble fruit and we get past its tough skin. The way you need to tell it's ripe is you sort of break it up and you see all that. Oh. So as in the last video you saw, we were ambushed by the very vicious Capercailloui. They're very rare in this part of the forest, and we didn't expect to see one. So this is a rare treat. They are going extinct with the destruction of their native homeland and the increasing rarity of the Heather Marzus. So I think we'll just let this Capercailloui enjoy its meal in peace before it attacks us again.
Pull! Bang!
Unfortunately, we've had poachers on the reserve who have been shooting the poor Capercaillouis for their Mars bar rich meat. We'll have to move elsewhere. So, as we can see here, we found a flock of wild lobbish, and as you can see, the big one over there with the red fur around the groin, he is the alpha male. Unlike this baby one whose fur is blue and hasn't matured yet and has just died because of the cold, the alpha male dominates the pack, and it is rotting season at the moment, so we will hope to see a fight. Oh, and a pounder in trouble has just been killed. Okay, well the alpha male is very fierce, so we'll leave him to kill the rest of the males in the flock before he turns his attention to us.
Drink pig, we was.
No, that's not what's meant to happen.
It's so